There's truly nothing more Nebraskan than the Omaha Storm Chasers Runza night. The team will be renamed the Omaha Runzas on Saturday, June 7th, and will wear these incredible uniforms. You can actually bid on these game-worn jerseys throughout the night. The first 1,000 fans receive these Runza Hawaiian shirts, and you can even participate in a Runza wrapping contest. Of course, these delicious sandwiches will be sold at the ballpark, and it just doesn't get more Nebraskan than this. As a pro tip, come early to the game because there's live music and $2 beers. That'll be at the Downdrop Bar in the outfield before first pitch. Runza night is the best tradition in minor league baseball.